Good morning. It's Thursday, and we got a chance at snow on Saturday, and we got brutally cold air coming in today. And trust me, if you didn't think it was cold yesterday, which it really was moderately cold, today is going to be brutal, especially with the wind chills. But here's my forecast. A final forecast will come out tomorrow morning on this, okay? So this is just still preliminary. There will be some changes. For example, the snow line might have to go north or south. At this time, I'm thinking I might have to cut off this section right here. I'll explain why in a minute. But this is the going forecast. Very confident anywhere from the northern half of Jersey up that it's a solid 3 to 5 inches. Moving on right now, brutally cold Arctic air. It's not that bad in New Jersey yet, but look at the temperatures out here in Pennsylvania and New York State. These are going to start to come our way. But more importantly, look at these wind chills right now, and these will only get worse. So we'll have single-digit wind chills in New Jersey later today as winds can gust as high as 35 miles an hour. Bundle up out there. It is going to be cold. That's all I have to say. Polar vortex to our north, that's causing all the cold air. That cold air filters down. It peaks out tonight and tomorrow. And then Saturday, we have our storm system approaching. And you can see the storm system's out here right now. It moves across the country. By the time we get to early Saturday morning after midnight, snow starts to break out in most regions. And that will continue till mid-morning until the changeover comes into effect, because you have rapid warm air coming in from the southwest, and you could see that changeover occur. When it's all said and done, again, this is what I have, but there will be tweaks tomorrow because, again, it's not a final forecast. A concern I have is now that the storm system's in the country, we have to take a look at what some of the ensembles are showing. For example, these are different members of the GFS model showing different outcomes. You notice that a lot of them now are starting to cut off South Jersey and starting to bring their snow shield a little more north. We have to be careful of that, guys, because that could become an overall trend. You know, a day ago, you saw a lot more snow further to the south overall, and now it's pulling that back. So I'm keeping a close eye on that. A big reason for that, as you can see, here's this little ridge of high pressure to the east now. A couple days ago, you could see it was a little bit more muted, and now in the most recent runs, it's coming back a little north, so it's bringing the precipitation boundary a little more north, so it's allowing less precipitation south and also warmer air to come in to the south on top of it. So we have to keep an eye on it, but for now, going forecast, bundle up today. It's going to be cold out there. I'll have an update tonight.